Gemini.
Yeah? What's on your mind?
I have a question I want to ask you. What is the real meaning of a cult leader?
A cult leader is typically someone who leads a group that's often characterized by unconventional beliefs and practices, and a strong devotion to the leader themselves. They often have charismatic personalities that can be quite persuasive. Is there a particular aspect you're interested in?
Yes, I would like to know if a content creator have some people who will love the content creator, and the content creator have never told one of them to not subscribe or listen or follow another content creator. Would you call that a cult leader?
No, that wouldn't be considered a cult leader. A content creator having dedicated followers is normal and pretty common. The key differences are usually around the level of control, manipulation, and exclusivity that characterize cults, which isn't typical of a standard content creator-follower relationship.
Thank you very much, my great friend Gemini, because Colaz Smith is now being called a cult leader by some people who also was a member or was a follower of Colaz Smith, but they don't like him anymore, so now they start to call him a cult leader.
Ah, I see. It sounds like there might be some disagreement or changing perspectives around him. The term cult leader can be pretty serious and subjective depending on who's using it. Is there more you'd like to discuss about this?
Yes, I also want to say some of the people who is calling him a cult leader wanted to control what he do, what he say, how he say it, and where he go and when he goes there. However, Colaz Smith did not allow them to control him. So now, because they couldn't get to control him, now they call him a cult leader.
That does sound like a situation where control is a major factor. It's common for people to react negatively when they can't influence someone the way they want. The term cult is often used broadly in situations like that, even when the structured group dynamics might not be present.
Okay, thank you very much, Gemini. I think you answer my question the perfect way, and the way that I think I will let my viewers and my subscribers realize what really mean when someone says a person is a cult leader. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful day.
You're very welcome. I'm glad I could help clarify things. I hope your viewers find it helpful too. Have a great day.
All right, thank you.
You got it. Feel free to ask anything else if it comes up.
Okay, bye-bye. You know that there's a word in this world that many people don't even know how to pronounce, then don't even know when to talk it, until them have something to say towards these words. It's not a matter of a one word, but it's a powerful word. But this word only used after the fact that something occurred. And the word is, if me did know. In a Jamaica is, if me did know. Yeah. Boy, if me did know, you know. Boy, if me did know, me wouldn't do that. Me wouldn't say that, you know. That's a very powerful word. If me did know. In other words, if I did know. Yeah, man. Make that word sink in your head before you do a lot of things. Think before you do it. And don't wait until afterwards your word is, If me did know. Very powerful word. Well, not word, words. Very powerful. If me did know. So it's like, it's a little small sentence. Yeah, it's a small sentence.
What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody get.
Morning, 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 my beautiful viewers and subscribers. You know, I have to go over that sentence, yeah? Good morning to my wonderful viewers, and good morning to my splendacious, my fabulous, my amazing-ocious, no word not goes out, subscribers. Good morning to each and every one of you. Thank you very much to make this channel be a part of your day. Thank you very much to work with me on my journey, and thank you very much to comment, tell me when me wrong and tell me when me right. Thank you very much. Welcome guys, welcome to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. Real Talk TV. Guys, you not feel no pain. That is good. You are feeling any pain? Run good on at the doctor. And if you can't run good on there because you feel the pain, call somebody, make them come help you, or we go get somebody to come help you. Hold on a little bit. Janet! Come here. Go on over Sister Patsy. Care Sister Patsy, go down at the doctor. She now feels so good. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, mental health crisis is on a rise. So I want to check out my friends and family, make sure everybody is alright. Because the brain put too much on it and it now work good. So mental health. Woi, hold on a little bit. Domestic violence. Domestic violence is not a joke, you know. There is a song. Let me sing it for you. Walk away from trouble if you can. Promise me, son, not to do the things I've done. Yes, it means walk away from trouble. If you're in the relationship and things not going well, before you start to think about any other different thing, just walk away. If there is a lot of things in the relationship that you think you cannot walk away from, go and talk to some counselor, a pastor, a police, somebody, before you do something that you will regret. You will regret it, because you maybe lose your 3 points, or you're going to be sitting down in jailhouse or prison for the rest of your life. So don't do that. Anyway, guys, if today your birthday, happy birthday to you. Tomorrow your birthday, happy soon come birthday. Yesterday was your birthday, happy belated birthday. Guys, me no understand the thing called human race. Me no understand it. Me no understand the thing called people. Me no understand it. Am I trying to understand it? Hell no. Me not try to understand it, but me no understand it. Now, I've been hearing people using a word towards Colaz Smith. Is it Colaz Smith or Simit? Simit. I've been hearing a word, been going around, and I first hear that word come out of a person who it shouldn't come out of his mouth. Knife Ninja. Knife Ninja say Colaz have a cult organization, a cult system. Then me hear a couple more people take up this cult thing and say, oh, Colaz Colaz a cult leader, Colaz a cult this, Colaz a this. Now, let me say this, you see, and I go say this, and I wasn't going to say nothing about this thing, but after I sit down and I really listen, I really realize that, do you know that all of you we are called Colaz cult are idiot? All of you. All of you we are called Colaz cult leader. You know idiot, you know? You know why? You know why you know idiot? You know was in the cult organization too. Since us you know called Colaz cult leader, who was a part of it too. You see how stupid, voila, do you see how stupid these people really is? Now, all of who calling Colaz Smith a cult leader was a part of the cult organization too. Because all of you used to make video saying all kind of great and good things about Colaz Smith. At one point, hold on. At one point, one of our wife was in my DM telling me that me now support Colaz Smith because Colaz Smith come America 2 times and up till now me no come a one a Colaz Smith show. Hello? But no, the husband is calling Colaz Smith a cult leader. Make that make sense. Make it make sense. Because all of you who is calling Colaz Smith a cult leader was Colaz Smith bench and batty. Colaz couldn't do nothing. You see, guys, let me say something to you. Say, listen to what I say. Listen to what I say really good enough. It's not like Colaz Smith and these people was friends, you know. Some of them, Colaz Smith and them wasn't friends. Colaz Smith and them was just people that Colaz Smith have respect for because Colaz Smith want to be respectful to people. And this is what these same people who Colaz Smith have respect for and they have respect or they love and them don't say anything about Colaz Smith that is good. It's the same people now turn around and is calling Colaz Smith a cult leader. The same set of people that used to be all over Colaz Smith is the same set of people now calling Colaz Smith a cult leader. And I tell you the truth, you know, I hear somebody said something about not have your own mind. But you know what that word about don't have your own mind? You never, people, hold on a little bit. Let me see if I can explain it and say it right. Knife Ninja come out with this word about cult leader and then people take it up. Then people take it up. So you couldn't come up with the word first. If you so smart, listen me good. Many of what is going on right now shouldn't have happened. If me and a person, a friend, and listen to me stay, if me and a person, a friend, brethren, sister, whatsoever we are, and we no deal or we are no friend again or we just know. Me? Nah man, you will never see me I go make no video about no man, no woman, nobody. You're not gonna see me and make no video. Nothing. If you have nothing to say about that person. Why you think that is? Because I remember the days that was good. And that's the same thing with me and past relationships. I will never, in an altercation or an argument with nobody with me and them you see in our relationship. No. Me step away from that. If me see the argument that come, me step away from that. Because I don't want an argument with nobody. Worse if me and you see in our relationship or we are used to bridge. I don't want an argument with nobody. But you know, remember, but is a conjunction. If you put it to me, then me go send it on. Yeah. If you put it to me, then me may think about it and then me go send it on. Because sometimes you have to just let it go. If somebody attack you. But guys, it don't make no sense. It don't look good. It don't look good. The same set of people we are beat down Colaz Smith right now is the same set of people. Is the same set of people we are drag Colaz through the mud. For what? And the thing is enough, guys. Them not have no reason. If you ask one of them, any one of them you can ask, what is the real reason why you don't like Colaz Smith? Them cannot tell it. Them are gonna tell us that man said, that one they said, that one they say, she say, he say, that one they say, that one they say, she say, but in here say, but that, yeah, because not one of them have an idea of why them should hate Colaz Smith. Not one of them have a real idea of why they shouldn't like the youth. The youth not do them nothing. All the youth do is make money and give away money. But to be honest with you, it's just a set of people. Because you know people are going to dislike you. People not going to like you for everything what you do. But guys, this cult thing when me hear them call Colaz Smith, in a fear. It's not a fear thing. It's not a fear thing. Yeah, it is not fear. If you hear them and say them on a cult, when Colaz Smith never come out and tell the people to love him. Colaz Smith come out and work hard, give away, do a lot for people, and the people them love him, show him love, respect him, and that's why the them so care about him. And if you say nothing about Colaz and then I want to watch your video, then that is, you can't tell people that, oh, you have to watch my video. No. Nobody. You can't tell anybody say you have to watch my video. No. A person watch the video if he want to watch the video. Colaz Smith supporters is going to watch a video if you're talking about Colaz Smith correctly. Then go watch it, then go like it, then go support it. Because it's their favorite person. Now if you start to talk bad about Colaz, how the hell you expect Colaz's favorite people they come watch your channel? No, you make that make sense. You don't have sense, man. If Colaz is loved by 230 subscribed people, 230,000 people, okay. So you expect the 230 people to come like your channel if you talk about the Colaz? No, I don't say it go. I don't say it go. Look, me talk good about Colaz. I think 1-2 times I made some videos. I said Colaz should have do that, yeah. And I saw the thing go, it's called business, it's the world. I saw the thing go, you cannot try to dictate and tell people say, yes, you're happy. Follow Colaz channel. And I say it go. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, I soon come back. Guys, what me say, me just can't understand what really are going on with this whole thing where people are talking about. By the way, hold on, I forgot something. Me just can't understand what people are trying to talk about this whole cult business. How many of the people, as a matter of fact, all of the people we are talking about, Colaz Smith, a cult leader, used to be a strong supporter of Colaz Smith. So my thing is, why are you saying that Colaz Smith is a cult leader now? Because you don't get to control and get to dictate what Colaz Smith do, what Colaz Smith next move will be. Me not get it. Me really and truly don't understand how he reached to this level of stupidity. Because at the end of the day, Colaz Smith is not a cult leader. And why I'm saying that, Colaz Smith have supporters, the people that love him. Colaz Smith never got out, and as a matter of fact, Colaz at no time. What is a cult leader? That's a massive question. That's a massive question, you know. What is a cult leader? And who is known as a cult leader? Who or what? A cult leader is a person who dictates what a person do, what, when, and how, and where a person move, do. That's a cult leader. I have never heard Colaz Smith tell nobody to do anything. I have never heard Colaz Smith tell any of his subscribers not to watch a person video. I have never heard Colaz Smith do that, none at all. So if you have never heard a person do those things and you never see him do it, why are you calling him a cult leader? The only way you're going to call him a cult leader is if you see him, hear him do those things. I have never heard Colaz Smith do those things at all. So for people to be calling Colaz Smith a cult leader, it just shows how vicious people can be when them can't get to use you, then can't get to control you, then can't get to manipulate you, and them can't get to control you again. Yeah, they can't control you. They can't dictate to you. Because if you sit down and check it out, you know, sit down, look on it, check it out. The people them way here are complaining and a cuss and a this and a that about Colaz Smith. Listen to them talk really good. Listen to them. There are a set of control freaks. There are a set of manipulators. There are a set of controllers, and there are a set of what that other word name? I'm not telling you yet. But if you sit down and really take fun and joke out of it, if you sit down and listen to these people and what they talk about and how they talk, you can realize that these people are nothing more than just a manipulator, a set of people who want to dictate. Because listen this good. In the early part of when Colaz Smith come out and start to get big and strong now, there was a set of people out there who was trying to control Colaz Smith. I won't call them name, but there was a set of people out there who was trying to control Colaz. They want to tell Colaz what to do, what not to do, where to go, what not to do, what to put on what not to put on what. Tell you. There is and was some people out there who was trying to control what Colaz Smith do, when he do it, how he do it, and why he should and should not do it. But it don't work, because Colaz Smith is not that kind of person who is going to make anybody control him and walk over him. And that's why the problem what you see out there right now, that's why it's out there. Because all of them, listen to me good enough, all of them, except, and I won't say except who, what, why, and how, all of them was in it to gain something out of it, and it backfired upon every one of them. It backfired upon every one of them, and then all of them, guys, it's stupid. It doesn't look good. It doesn't smell good. It doesn't feel good to see people out there calling Colaz Smith a cult leader when all Colaz Smith is doing, making his video, and the people, the subscribers, the viewers, loving him, and they believe that if you go up against him, they're not going to watch your video. Colaz never tell any of them not to watch anybody's video. Colaz never tell any of them not support Knife Ninja. Colaz Smith have all right to come out and defend himself when Knife Ninja go at him. So whosoever out there talking about is because Colaz come make video after Knife Ninja make video. Stupid talk, idiot talk that, fool talk that, boy talk that. Colaz have all right to come out and defend himself whenever anybody say anything about him. He have that right. As a matter of fact, everybody have that right, but some people believe them alone have the right to defend themselves, and Colaz shouldn't come out and say nothing. See, that's where the biasness come. Colaz have all right to say anything he want to say out of his mouth because he is his own man. See his mother come there. He don't have another mother. And he have one mother. Couple people who he grew up with. And no matter how Miss Little helped grow him up, Miss Little never tried to be Colaz Smith's mother because Colaz Smith only have one mother. I know Miss Little and Colaz sit down and have them one-on-one talk that none of us know anything about. And you'd never see Miss Little come out and blare out, say, yeah, Colaz tell me this. Because they have that kind of respect. They know each other physically. We don't know Colaz. Colaz don't know us. Colaz may see some of us. But not because Colaz see you, that means Colaz and you are big friend. The problem is, Colaz a work and a make himself be a man and make himself be somebody with recognition, with recognition, with all kind of things where people see him, people say, yes, a Colaz that. So why is it that people is now calling him a cult leader? People call, when a cult leader is a person who have a set of people in a room or in a yard or in a facility that do whatever he or she said. That's what a cult leader is. Colaz don't have nobody locked up in a camp, in a whatever camp, or when him says something people have to do. People do what they feel like they want to do. Like if they don't want to watch your channel, they just don't watch it. The viewers and subscribers, until the next videos, I will say no, but people need to stop calling the man a cult leader. Because remember, you all was a part of the team. And if you wasn't a part of the team, you was a part of who was supporting him. You was a subscriber.